News Channel 7. Time for 7 First Alert weather.
So today, tomorrow, and Friday will all look different. Okay, each one is different in its own forecast. We've got a storm system coming in for tomorrow, hoping to see a little sunshine pop through on Friday that could continue even into the weekend. That would be nice. Here's Skycam 7 as we look outside. The air quality, well, it is on the rise over in Ontario and the Weiser area. And likely it will be also when we consider down here toward Boise. It's already on the rise in Nampa, Caldwell, and Meridian, but it's still green here in Boise. And then as we head east, it's a little better for Twin Falls, and the same thing for Sun Valley. So all locations, as you look behind me here, not all locations, but to our east, Boise eastward happens to be good. Boise westward happens to be in the yellow category, moderate. That's kind of been the situation we've had here since about last Sunday, actually, that this has started to develop. So you see the high temperatures today. We're still right around freezing to 28 degrees for Twin Falls. And even in the mountains, some of those temperatures got up around 32, 33 degrees. And here's a look at tomorrow. And you notice a mixture of rain or snow. Most of that, as I showed you a while ago, comes in the afternoon for the Magic Valley. There's a chance of some snow. We'll get you in the amounts there, but it's probably looking about 1 to 2 inches for Sun Valley, 2 to 4 inches of snow up around McCall, Donnelly, and Cascade. Down here in Valley location could start with some snow, but I don't think we're going to see it much on the ground, even if it starts that way, just because we're going to see a mixture of rain or snow. And that temperature in the afternoon gets into the upper 30s. Now, around the region, just something kind of interesting to know. Bismarck only had a high today of 1. You know what this means? This is Arctic air coming in. It stays east of us because of the Rockies. Sometimes it spills over. But as you notice, along the west coast, it's quite a bit warmer. Most of the high temperatures there are in the 50s as you kind of take a quick look at what's happening across the nation. And in our area of the country, here's the inversion. Here's the cold air. Billings was down to 10, Casper 15. But we're starting to get a little more influence from the west here, where temperatures were just above 50 for today. It's going to break up the inversion just a bit. However, it's not going to warm us up that much, but we could be getting up around 40 degrees or so as we get into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I think a lot of that really cold air, at least for now, looks like it's going to stay to our east. So not much here in the valley except for around Ontario. They could see an inch of snow, but not so much for Boise. And then you can see the amounts possibility in the mountains. As far as rain throughout the entire area, well, precipitation-wise, could be close to 1/4 of an inch for some spots. Even that's the case down in Twin Falls as you look at the amounts. Now, in the way of the satellite picture, let me just show you the storm system. There it is. It's out there to our west. It's starting to come in. There's some of our showers at this particular point. 11 o'clock, midday, somewhere along through there, very early in the afternoon is possible for tomorrow. And once that does, our advisory for the air quality runs out at 11 o'clock Friday morning. Good timing on that. Expect to see a little bit of sunshine there, a little bit of sunshine through the weekend. That ridge develops again for next week. We'll watch that, but we could be seeing a bit of that high pressure coming and the inversion redeveloping. Well, we've got more news, and we're coming back for you in just a moment.